Most people with a health savings account are using it completely wrong. They treat it like a checking account for doctor bills, but wealthy families treat it like a $400,000 tax-free investment machine, and almost nobody knows the difference. The HSA is the only account in the entire U.S. tax code that gives you a triple tax advantage. Tax-free going in, tax-free growing, tax-free coming out. No 401k, no Roth IRA, no brokerage account can say that. And the wealthy figured this out decades ago. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that turns a simple HSA into a $400,000 wealth-building machine. The investment trick, the receipt drawer strategy, and how to start even if you've been doing it wrong for years. First, let's establish what an HSA actually is. A health savings account is a special account you can open if you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. It's government-sanctioned, it's legal, and it has been hiding in plain sight for over 20 years. In 2026, you can contribute up to $4,150 as an individual or $8,300 as a family. If you're 55 or older, you can add another $1,000 on top of that as a catch-up contribution. To qualify, you need to be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, an HDHP. In 2026, that means a deductible of at least $1,700 for individuals or $3,400 for families. If your employer offers this plan, you almost certainly qualify. Here's where it gets powerful. The HSA is the only account in the U.S. that is tax-advantaged 3 separate times. Your contributions reduce your taxable income now, your investments grow completely tax-free, and your withdrawals for medical expenses are never taxed. Let's break down each tax advantage individually. Advantage number 1, your contributions come out of your paycheck before taxes are taken out. If you're in the 22% tax bracket and you contribute $4,000, you immediately save $880 in federal taxes this year. Tax advantage number 2, every dollar inside your HSA grows completely free of federal income tax, capital gains tax, and dividend tax. No annual tax drag on your investments. Every year, more of your money compounds instead of going to the IRS. Tax advantage number 3, when you withdraw money from your HSA for qualified medical expenses, doctor visits, prescriptions, dental, vision, surgery, you pay 0 federal tax on those withdrawals. Not a reduced rate, 0. The money leaves the account and the IRS never touches it. Compare that to a traditional 401k. You get the upfront tax break, but you pay income tax when you withdraw in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes up front and withdrawals are tax-free, but there's no upfront deduction. The HSA does both, plus tax-free growth. Financial advisors who work with ultra-high net worth families often call the HSA the most powerful tax-advantaged account available to ordinary Americans. Not just one of the best, bar none. And yet, less than a quarter of HSA holders invest their funds at all. Here's why this matters so much for wealth building. Every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar that can compound. Over 30 years, a dollar saved in taxes today, invested at 7%, becomes over $7. The wealthy don't earn more, they keep. Now here's where most people go wrong. The average HSA holder opens the account, contributes a few $100s, and immediately spends it on a copay or a prescription. The balance stays near 0. The account never grows. The triple tax advantage is completely wasted. The wealth move is the opposite. You contribute the maximum every year. You pay all your current medical expenses out of pocket from your regular checking account. And every dollar in your HSA gets invested in low-cost index funds where it grows tax-free for decades. Most HSA providers, especially the ones offered through employers, default to a low-interest cash account. To unlock the investing power, you need to find the investment tab inside your HSA portal and actively move your funds into index funds. Fidelity and Lively offer this with 0 fees. Let's run the numbers. An individual contributing $4,050 per year, every year, invested in a total market index fund averaging 7% annual returns. After 30 years, that account grows to approximately $420,000, all tax-free. And here's the strategy that changes everything. It's called the receipt drawer. Every time you pay a medical expense out of pocket, a dentist visit, eyeglasses, a therapy session, you save the receipt. You never reimburse yourself. You just keep saving the receipts. The IRS has no time limit on when you can reimburse yourself for past medical expenses. You can pay a medical bill in 2026, keep the receipt, and withdraw that exact amount from your HSA completely tax-free in 2045. The reimbursement window is open forever. After age 65, the HSA becomes even more flexible. If you withdraw for non-medical expenses, you simply pay ordinary income tax, exactly like a traditional IRA. So worst case, your HSA functions as a bonus IRA with no required minimum distributions. Best case, all withdrawals are tax-free. Let's build the full $400,000 blueprint with real numbers. A family in 2026 can contribute $8,300 per year. Both spouses on the same HDHP plan. If they start at age 35 and retire at 65, that's 30 years of maximum contributions. $8,300 per year for 30 years, compounding at 7% annually. The result, approximately $830,000, tax-free. That's enough to cover all healthcare costs in retirement and still leave a significant legacy for their children. Now add the receipt drawer strategy on top. If that same family accumulates $50,000 in unreimbursed medical receipts over 30 years, which is entirely realistic, they can withdraw $50,000 additional dollars from their HSA in retirement, completely tax-free, at any time they choose. Wealthy families don't skip HSA contributions in years where money is tight. They treat it like a non-negotiable bill, the same way they treat the mortgage. Max the HSA first, then everything else. The discipline of maxing every single year is what creates the seven-figure outcome. One important distinction: you cannot have both an HSA and a standard flexible spending account at the same time. But you can pair an HSA with a limited purpose FSA, which covers only dental and vision. This allows you to triple dip on tax advantages in a single year. For HSA investments, the best approach is to mirror whatever you hold in your other retirement accounts. A simple 3-fund portfolio or a single total market index fund works perfectly. The goal is low fees, broad diversification, and letting compound interest do the work for decades. If you're 55 or older and haven't maximized your HSA yet, the catch-up contribution allows you an extra $1,000 per year. And if you're approaching Medicare eligibility at 65, you can make one final lump sum contribution in the months before your coverage kicks in. Now let's talk about the 2026 tax law changes that make the HSA even more powerful. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed into law this year, permanently extends 100% bonus depreciation. For business owners and self-employed individuals, this creates a massive new opportunity. Here's the combination play. A self-employed business owner uses 100% bonus depreciation to dramatically reduce their business income this year. That lower reported income means a lower AGI. A lower AGI means HSA contributions provide an even larger relative tax benefit on a percentage basis. For the self-employed, the HSA is even more advantageous than for employees. You can deduct HSA contributions directly on your Form 1040 as an above-the-line deduction, meaning you reduce your adjusted gross income without needing to itemize. The savings apply even if you take the standard deduction. Business owners can take this even further by offering an HSA-compatible health plan to employees and contributing to their HSAs as a business expense. Those employer contributions are deductible for the business and not included in the employee's taxable income. Everyone wins. The IRS endorses it. Some business owners prefer a health reimbursement arrangement instead, but for wealth building, the HSA wins. An HRA doesn't allow you to invest the funds, it doesn't carry over as your personal asset, and it disappears if you leave the company. The HSA stays with you forever. For those in the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, the HSA is the ultimate bridge account. You can access your HSA tax-free for medical expenses at any age, without the 59.5 age restriction that applies to IRAs and 401ks. It's the early retirement cheat code. Combine this: FIRE at 45, live off your HSA reimbursements tax-free for medical costs, Roth IRA contributions ladder for living expenses, and let your traditional retirement accounts compound untouched for another 20 years. This is the blueprint that financial independence communities have been quietly using for a decade. Let's cover the 5 most common HSA mistakes, because most people make at least one of these. Mistake number 1. Spending the HSA the moment money hits the account. Every dollar you spend today instead of investing costs you $7 at retirement. The math is brutal. Mistake number 2. leaving the money in the default cash option. Most HSA providers automatically park your funds in a low-yield savings account earning less than 2%. Meanwhile, the stock market has historically returned 7 to 10% annually. You're losing thousands of dollars every year by doing nothing. Mistake number 3, not keeping receipts. Every medical expense you pay out of pocket is a future tax-free withdrawal waiting to happen, but only if you have documentation. No receipt means no reimbursement. Set up a simple folder, physical or digital, and save every single medical bill. Mistake number 4, switching from an HDHP to a traditional PPO plan without understanding the consequences. The moment you leave an HDHP, you lose the ability to make new HSA contributions. You can still invest and use the existing funds, but you can never contribute again unless you return to an HDHP. Mistake number 5, treating the HSA as a short-term emergency fund. Your emergency fund belongs in a regular high-yield savings account. Your HSA belongs in index funds with a 20 to 30-year time horizon. Mixing these two purposes guarantees you'll underperform on both goals simultaneously. If you've made any of these mistakes, here's the good news. You can course correct starting today. Transfer your HSA to a better provider like Fidelity or Lively. Both offer free HSA accounts with full investment access. Move your cash balance into index funds immediately. Start saving every future receipt. The two best HSA providers for serious investors in 2026 are Fidelity and Lively. Fidelity offers 0 account fees, 0 investment minimums, and access to their entire fund lineup, including their zero-cost index funds. Lively integrates with TD Ameritrade for even broader investment options. Both are significantly better than most employer-sponsored options. Here's the step-by-step setup. 1. Confirm you're enrolled in an HDHP. 2. Open an HSA at Fidelity. 3. Set up automatic monthly contributions to hit the annual maximum. 4. Immediately invest in a total market index fund. 5. Start a medical receipt folder today. Let's bring it all together. The HSA is the most powerful tax-advantaged account available to ordinary Americans. Triple tax advantage. Contributions, growth, withdrawals. Invest the maximum every single year. Pay medical costs out of pocket and save every receipt. Let the account compound for decades. The wealth gap in America is not primarily an income gap, it's a knowledge gap. Wealthy families have known about the HSA investment strategy for years. They maximize it, they invest it, they hold receipts. And while everyone else is spending their HSA at the pharmacy, the wealth compounds. Whether you're 25 or 55, it is not too late to start. Every year you delay is thousands of dollars in lost compound growth. If you have an HDHP today, you can open a Fidelity HSA this week, contribute your first dollar, and start building tax-free wealth before the end of the month. Run the numbers on someone starting at 40, $12,000 per year as a family, invested at 7%. By 65, that's $750,000, completely tax-free. That is the kind of outcome most people think requires a 6-figure salary. It just requires knowing the rules. In the next video on this channel, we're going to cover the QSBS strategy, how Silicon Valley founders legally eliminate federal taxes on up to $10 million in startup gains. These are the financial systems that separate the wealthy from everyone else. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Most financial advice you find online is designed for the middle of the bell curve. Average people making average decisions. This channel is for people who want to understand how wealth actually works. If that's you, subscribe to Finance North Star and join the community that's quietly getting ahead. Hit the subscribe button right now. New videos on wealth strategy, tax optimization, and financial systems drop every single day. This is the financial education you never got in school, and it's completely free. And if this video opened your eyes to how powerful the HSA really is, drop a like so more people can discover this strategy. The more people who understand these systems, the better. Share it with one person who has an HSA and doesn't know what they're missing.